I'd like to give you a brief demonstration of the Brewmagic's onboard Unitronics V350 controller, as well as introduce you to Sabco's exclusive MagicSoft technology. Brewmagic uses two sources of heat. There's a very capable burner under the mash to rapidly get you to near mash temperature, as well as an onboard electronic heat exchanger located within the controller's panel box. This applies a gentle, stabilizing heat to tune the mash temperature to perfection. Brewmagic is a RIMS recirculating design, and with the help of the V350 controller and very smooth circulation, variables that interfere with repeatability have been eliminated from the system. These include temperature control, stirring effects, stratification or heat layering, caramelization, aeration, and inconsistent brewer input. The V350 is an amazing color touchscreen design. MagicSoft by Sabco makes it even better. To begin a new session, follow the intuitive touchscreen prompts and begin. Set your desired target temperature at any time. Turn the circulating pump on and request heat control assistance. The V350 will advise the use of the burner until automatic electronic heat becomes enabled. When the burner is no longer needed, it will advise that it be turned off. At this point, your mash temperature is self-regulating, and the controller begins to utilize electronic heat as needed to maintain the desired temperature until you wish to change the temperature once again. This temperature control is 1/10 of a degree accurate. Reset the brewer's timer and keep track of specific timed steps. Here's where the magic begins. MagicSoft will be creating a data file from information gathered in perfect sequential time during your current brewing session. Temperature settings, pump activations, time step intervals, brewer notes, and even graphical depictions of time and temperature can all be stored on the controller's SD card. Type a brewer's note using the virtual keypad. Enter it into the recorded data file when you actually perform the task. Touch the graph button to display a graphic depiction of time and temperature. Use this graph to assist you to track applied heating during the mash operations. MagicSoft can store the data recipe file from your current brewing session and make it available for exact reproduction at a future brew session. Saving the file is easy. Simply follow the touchscreen and give your recipe file a name to remember. You'll be able to keep the file in the controller's SD memory card or move it over to your PC using the onboard USB port. There you can edit the file, graph it with Excel, print the recipe, and keep it for future reference. You can even build a completely new recipe on your laptop from scratch. Your recipe data file is more than just collected information. It is also the language needed to control an exact repeat performance of your recipe. When loaded back into the V350 controller, your data file, when initiated, will use this information to automatically set and maintain your recipe's temperatures, keep your interval clock time, activate the pump on cue, audibly notify you of your brewer's notes when you want to see them, and allow you to graphically compare the recipe's master graph against the graph you're making with your current batch. Amazing capability that rivals the best brewer's assistant. Edit the recipe if you wish while you brew. And when you're done, simply save the new file with a new name. Once again, you can keep, edit, and move the file to your PC if desired. This will allow you to save and improve your recipes as you go. Keep the best file version and discard the rest. Once you have a well-tuned recipe, use the V350 with Magic Soft technology and the variable free Brew Magic system by Sabco to repeat your favorite brew recipe every time. More than a brewing system, this is pure brewing magic. I'm Bob Soulier, wishing the best brew to you. Thanks for watching.